The special treatment, African food to the world, man. Hello brothers, sisters, how y'all doing? This is Cooking with Sindaco and I'm back again. Today's Cooking with Sindaco is coming to you live from Queensland on Himal Crew. Yeah, so there's a proverb that says practice what you preach, and I'm about to practice what I've been preaching to you. Yeah, I've been touring around villages and I've seen the kind of food they produce or they prepare. So today in this video, I'll be using one of those ingredients to prepare this delicious food, and I believe this food will ginger you to also start using our local stuff to prepare something nice. Yeah, so today's video is like typical like Angwamo, but I'll be using shea butter and Dawadawa to prepare this Angwamo. So I'm replacing the oil with shea butter and I'm adding Dawadawa to the rice as well to make look that authentic and something new. But please don't forget to subscribe, share, tell a friend and tell a brother, leave a comment, like, or record. Let's do this. Yeah, so since there is Dawadawa Jollof, which I've tried and the taste was so amazing, I'd love to try Dawadawa with Angwamo. This is self-invention. I don't know if it exists or not, but I believe I'm trying first, yeah? Yeah, so this is the shea butter, and this is the Dawadawa, yeah? Dawadawa African locust bean. Then this is the rice, and I'll do egg with some garnet pepper. Over here, this is my tomatoes as well. Yeah, so very simple thing and quick recipe, yeah? Very quick one. Yeah, so to start this, I'll first wash my pot, yeah? And I'll do everything over here. Today I'll not be using the fire, I'll use the rice cooker to do all the chichos, yeah? So I'll go with the steel pressure so that I'll be able to fry the onion inside the pot as well. Yeah, so now I'll add my shea butter oil to it, yeah? And yeah. So you see it's melting. Man, the aroma. Now I'll add in the onion. Yeah, this is local stuff inside rice cooker. Man, can you believe this, man? I can't believe I'm doing this, man. It's interesting. Yeah, so those bubbles over there represent that the shea butter is 100% organic and raw. Yeah, it's not been mixed. And if you want some shea butter, just holler at me. Contact me, I'll give you correct shea butter. 100% shea butter. So if you have a rice cooker, you can check the menu, or what do you call it, the list, what you can do. If yours is like the modern kind of rice cooker, you can do stew in it. Yeah, you can do stew, you can do porridge, you can do anything, you can cook beans. So this, I've set the settings to stew, and I'm doing the kind of stew level, yeah. So now, I'll allow the onion to fry a bit, then I'll add in the Dawadawa. It's been like 3 minutes and I'm adding in the Dawadawa. So this is the Dawadawa, yeah, I showed you before, and I'll be breaking them to pieces like that. This is fresh Dawadawa from the northern part of Ghana, yeah, upper west, yo. So if you want Dawadawa, just holler at me, contact me, and I'll give you correct Dawadawa, fresh Dawadawa. Look, fresh one, papa. So this will melt when the heat touches, yeah. So, but I can't put everything straight inside like that, so you need to offend the titumu. You need to be breaking them to pieces. Yeah, it is what it is. Dawadawa Angwamo. Man, you can always try to invent something, yeah. Do your own mixes. Do your own mixes, yeah. So Dawadawa is also like a spice, like a spices, yeah. And you can use to represent any other spices that you want to use. And also, the seed is like a beans kind of, okay? Yeah, so as I said, the rice will look a bit darker, but hey, it's food, yeah? So don't worry about that. Wow, the aroma coming, mamma mia. So I'm trying to break them to pieces, yeah? To make them small particles. Yeah, you can choose to blend them as well if you like to. Don't want to waste much time. You can choose to blend them so that you have them in powder form. But since this is fresh, there's a bit of water in it, so it's not that dry. So since the oil is small, so I'm adding the rest of the shea butter oil to it. Yeah. So very soon my rice will come inside and we do the cooking, yeah? So I'm going to wash my rice and come back. So this is my rice, I've washed it and I'm adding everything to it.
Yahweh, Yahweh, Yahweh.
As I said earlier, the food will look a bit darker, but hey, we are eating organic, yeah? That's the most important thing. It's time we project African food, our local food, to the world, because we have a lot of organic food and we are not using it. It's very few people that are using this kind of organic, especially those that are not in the Volta. So this rice cooker doesn't require much water, so very little water just to help it cook. Yeah. So add a bit of salt to it. Wow, I can't just wait to try this food. I'll now change from stew to rice, so let me cancel everything, then do rice, then give it like 15 minutes, or let's say 20 minutes, okay? Yeah, so that's it, and we'll make sure that it cooks, yeah? You can also do pressure cook, but I want everything to be normal, so rice and yeah, so now that I have my rice under temperature, I'll now focus on the pepper, and the frying of egg, yeah. So, but today I'm feeling lazy. I will not use the earthenware bowl, aka the local blender, Sindaco Poyoyo, yeah. I'll not use that. I'll blend everything, like the pepper and the tomatoes together. And even the tomatoes, I have the one in the tin, chopped one in the tin, not fresh one. Yeah, I'm being lazy today, but I need to cook and do something, yeah. So this is a quick recipe that I can try at home any time of the day, and you love it. So this is my pepper. Yeah, so this is my onion, yeah. And I'll add a bit of ginger to it. Ginger. Yeah, so I'll add some amount of chopped tomatoes to it. And this is my salt. So I won't smooth it, I'll do very, very low. Yeah, rough. Rough and smooth. Yeah, it's rough. So the pepper is ready. We're now about to do the chichawis. Whoa, this is the Dawadawa Angwamo. Wow. Look at this, man. Wow. Man, it even looks like curry rice, but it's not. This is Dawadawa. So the rice is okay, and it's about to go. Damn! Man, I'm really excited. So I added a bit of shea butter. So I'm using local from A to Z. The only difference is that I'm doing local with modern utensils. That's the difference. So fry pan is very hot. Yeah, so this is our egg and avocado. Yeah. Now it's ready to do the servings, yo. So we have our Dawadawa Angwamo. Yeah, this is not Dawadawa jollof food. This is Dawadawa rice. We'll find the rice and oil. Even the oil is shea butter. Yunkuto. Man, I'm loving this. Wow. This is not wachi, this is not curry rice, this is not jollof, this is Angwamo with Dawadawa. And this is the outcome, the outlook. So all these black spots over there are the beans, the African locust beans. If you don't want them in, you can blend them before you add them to your meal or to your food whilst preparing. And man, my mouth, I'm into 18,000 times. Yeah. This is special treatment. Special treatment. So sometimes simple food and you get amazing results. This African food to the world, man. This is the same type of food this Chinese and Asian people do, and they are really dominating the world market. Aside, I have my egg over here. Mamma mia, sarà buonissimo. Buonissimo. Figa. Che cazzo. My pepper will come here like that. Yeah, this is just perfect. So Dawadawa Angwamo, yeah, rice and oil, and the oil is shea butter, and it's done locally and very simple. You can try this at home any time of the day, and you feel very mwah, mwah, mwah. Hello brothers, sisters. Yeah, so we've done with our Angwamo, yeah, rice and oil with some Dawadawa. So this, it just came in my mind. I've not seen this food anywhere. The one that I know is the Dawadawa jollof, yeah. So it's kind of jollof with the Dawadawa inside. But this is just normal rice with oil, and the Dawadawa was placed in. And the oil also, I replaced the oil with shea butter. Yeah, so this is the outcome. It looks like curry rice or wachi, kind of, but it's not. It's Angwamo, yeah. So, man, I've been swallowing my saliva for a long time, and I can't wait to try this to see. Oh, man, this is dope. This is dope. This is really dope. I have some of the leaves. I have shea butter. I have Dawadawa. I'm in UK now, so if you want some, I can post them to you. Yeah, it doesn't matter where you live in the UK. Next day delivery, we'll do that. Yeah, so I can't be traveling around the villages, seeing what they eat, and me not practicing it. Yeah, so I decided to eat shea butter. I've done some already. Like I've tried other meals with shea butter, which I did a video. But since today is shea butter and Dawadawa, I decided to do a video of it for you to know that all the villages that I've been traveling to, yeah, and seeing the kind of food that they eat, and I also tried myself. I repeat the same kind of process that they eat over there because it's healthy, yeah, really healthy, yeah. So you use shea butter for your skin. You also eat some, so double treatment. Yeah, man. African food to the world, because this food, if it's supposed to be Asian food, it'll be on the internet by now. It should be on the world market by now, on the world restaurant by now. It's the same food that they eat. This kind of food that they eat over there. If you go to Asia, Thailand, Indonesia, those places, this kind of food that they eat, but it's famous, it's well known. Why? Because the people are projecting their local food to the world. Why are we not doing the same thing? Because we do the same thing. Let's eat our local food. Let's personalize our local food. And let's show the world that we also have good local food that the world can eat. Not only Africans, but everybody can eat. Yeah, so this cooking with Sindaco. Let's meet again. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, share, comment, and like. Tell a friend and tell a brother, yeah? Let's do this again for Shazam Manizu, man. I'm out. Wow. Bro. Round two. Alright, I hope it be. It's very nice. Zizzy. It's been the other not come from. Yeah. Maybe it's been a shot. Alright, though. Yeah, no answer, man. It's emails been here. I can follow this channel to know how to cook or to learn how to cook. Yeah? Give me one. To me, the baby, I did that during my time in the Nina, Bimponka. Yeah. The clear that Kumponka, go fix later. I saw kill a bit my Kumponka. Was some 2 kills by a Mukumponka. Yeah. Miss Bayo too much.